Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your download speed and your upload speed on your network for your Xbox One. So let's go to Settings, go to General, go to Network Settings, wait for this to come up and go down to Test Network Speeds and Statistics. So this will take maybe like 20 seconds for it to load, but then we should get the statistics for our download speed and our upload speed. So just give us some time. I'm connected to my 5 gigahertz connection right now on my Xbox One, and I think I'm going to be limited to a certain speed, maybe like 250 for my download speed. So it just takes a really long time for this to load, so just give it some time. And then it'll pop up, and it'll show you 250 for my down, 20 for my up. Wireless strength is 100%. So it's really interesting because if I were to connect this with an actual wire, I'd have like 500 for my down, and I lose 250 just because of my Wi-Fi. So I don't know. Consider just plugging in with the cable for your Xbox One just because the Wi-Fi is not so great. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.